I think with a very strong sales number overall, with a 10% and outstanding 12.4% in the US and a good 7.5% in Europe. I think what was outstanding is the online adoption of our customers, with 115% growth in the US and a 75% and a 65% growth in Europe. So a strong pickup on online, strong pickup in overall sales. But at the same time, COVID also comes with costs, and we with an expense for the total year so far of 470 million euros of COVID costs. And I think that also gave us the opportunity to do, in this strong financial year, also something for our associates, to give them also a reward for the excellent job done so far.
So I just want to pick up on a couple of points you mentioned there. The first is the huge uptick in online sales, particularly in the US. Is this also translating into extra market share, or is it simply just a matter of higher volumes?
No, we don't have our market share numbers yet for the third quarter, but the market share numbers of the second quarter, and there's no reason that they will change, is that with all the brands on the east coast of the US where we're operating, are all shares going up. So brands like Food Lion and Hannaford and Giant and Stop and Shop, they all gained market share in the second quarter.
And looking ahead, do you expect consumer behavior to have permanently changed as a consequence of this pandemic, in the sense that people will be flocking more to online shopping in the future? Or do you have a feeling that once the pandemic subsides, people will just revert back to what they used to do before, and we could see some of the big gains in online sales reverse?
No, we think, thanks for the question, Giovanna, because that's, of course, an important question. We think that the acceleration of online will be sticky. The growth levels will moderate over time when we get a healthy environment again. But we see this acceleration. And for this year, for example, we will hit 7 billion euros, which is almost $8 billion of online sales, which is a year earlier that we reached that target. So yes, acceleration, it will be sticky, but it will moderate over time a little bit more compared to the present growth rates.